My name is Peter. I'm the head technician at Sherlotronics, and today I'll be showing you how to add a repeater unit into our MB4000 panic system. First step with enrolling the repeater into the Mimic base is to have both units powered up in close proximity to each other with the data receiver connected and enrolled on the Mimic base. Once you have all the units connected up to 12 volt power, you'll just go into the admin menu on the Mimic base. So you'll press the enter button and type in the admin password. It's usually 1, 2, 3, 4, then enter. And you'll scroll down to the fourth option that says enroll repeaters and press enter again. Now what you'll do is you'll see all the repeater locations are empty. You'll just press memory on the first location and press the button 1 to add the repeater in. Once the Mimic base is in learn mode, you'll then just take the supervision jumper off of the repeater's supervision pins and you'll put it in the position for on. You'll see the repeater will send 3 transmissions through to the Mimic base and learn it in. Once you've sent the supervision signal to the Mimic base, you'll see that the repeater location will now show full, and if you send the supervision signal again, it will give you that same recognition beep that it's received that signal in that location. Now that you've learned the repeater in, you can just press enter and scroll down to the bottom of the main menu and press exit. This whole process of learning the repeater into the Mimic base is to ensure that the Mimic base receives a signal from the repeater every 24 hours to ensure the repeater is still working. If the repeater does not report back to the Mimic base within that time, the Mimic base will go into alarm saying that that repeater has failed its 24-hour test. Now to add the remote into the repeater, so the repeater will send the remote signal back to the Mimic base, all you'll have to do is use a piece of wire to bridge out the auto-learn chock blocks on the repeater. When you put a piece of wire in, you'll see the TX and RX LEDs will give you a representation to say it's in learn mode. You'll then take the remote you want to use, you'll press it once, and you'll see an RX LED will come on to say it's received the signal, and then the TX LED will go on to say it's sending the same signal out. Once you've learned all of your remotes into the repeater, all you'll have to do is just remove your wire out of the auto-learn chock blocks to take it out of learn mode. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a look at our other videos for more information.